Welcome to the Cool Trade product demonstration. So this particular robotic trader, this is what a robotic trader looks like, and this particular one is carrying out a Dow 30 strategy. It's just trading Dow 30 stocks that are less than $50, and there's actually about 14 of those stocks. This one started on 1/1/2012, and it is currently 4/30/2013 at the time of this product demonstration. So I'll just walk you through a few things. This is a long only strategy, and right here you've got your start times and your stop times for the strategy. The middle section, this section here, gives us a little market data. So the Dow's up 26 today, the Nasdaq's up 18, S&P's up 3, the E-minis are up 4.75. So let's look at a couple things. This one started with 50,000 roughly 15 months ago. And this one started with 50,000. It's now up to 65,081. It currently has funds allocated of 23,323. So this one has averaged about 32,000 allocated over the course of the last 15 months. So when you can see that it's taken 15,000 in net profit on an account that's only got 23,000 allocated right now, it's doing really well. So we have funds available of 97,077 if we were to use margin. But this robotic trader, the way that it's set up is it's got plenty of money left over here for when the market corrects. So this middle section down below here, this is going to show you what the robotic trader has bought, and it'll show you all of the current positions that you hold. So you can see Alcoa, Bank of America, Cisco, GE, HPQ, Intel, and Coca-Cola. So on these positions here in the middle section, these have not closed profitably yet, so they are being held. And on the inventory, we're down about $2,900. So you can see the middle section on the inventory, just the open positions were down 2,900. If you remember though, we're up 15,081 net in the last 15 months or so. So you can see the robotic trader, it's carrying out the strategy. You can see all of this activity here because it's a number crunching machine. It's looking at the market and conditions and monitoring all of your positions for you on your behalf. So let's go ahead and look at these buttons here. Connectivity, if you lose your internet connection during the day, it'll tell you what time it lost it and what time it was able to restore it. Show charts is just going to give you a quick reference of, what those positions are doing during the day. Are they moving up? Are they moving down? So this is just meant to be kind of a quick reference so that you can take a look and see which way your stocks are moving. Show trades is going to show you any positions that were purchased or any positions that were sold during the trading day. Doesn't look like we've closed out any today. System activity, this is going to show you what the robotic trader is processing. So the Cool Trade robotic trader is a number crunching machine. It's looking at a tremendous amount of data. The robotic trader will monitor up to 8,000 stocks and carry out your strategy 100% unattended. So it's a very sophisticated tool, and it's really a number crunching machine. A lot of power in the Cool Trade robotic trader. So let's go ahead and take a look at the report here. So this one started 1/1/2012, and I'll run that report through today so you can take a look at it. So this particular one, so open the first position 1/4/2012 at 11:39 a.m. and close that position the same day at 3:46, which was American Express. It bought it here, sold it here. This particular strategy is just buying and selling 100 share lots of Dow 30 stocks that are less than $50. So it made $50 here, $55 on DuPont, and $49 on Disney, and that was all the first day. Then you can see the second day here, 1/5/2012. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9 positions that closed out. So there was a nice move upward on 1/5. So the robotic trader was right there to grab all of that profit. So it's going to be buying and selling these stocks for you 100% unattended. Let's go ahead and flip through these pages. So here's page 1, page 2, and there's 23 trades per page. So we're on page 3, page 4, and you can see this takes us to the end of February. Page 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this robotic trader has done about 11 pages of trades for a grand total of $17,975 in gross profit over that period of time. So you can see the power here of actively trading the stocks and just taking a little bit of money over and over and over and over again. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the back end of the system now. So we'll go ahead and click on the strategy wizard. So the strategy wizard, this is the back end of the system where you'll carry out your, where you can set your rules and parameters. So just to run through it quickly, over to the right here, we just tell the robotic trader when we want it to trade. Over to the left here, we tell the robotic trader how many shares we want it to buy. So you can see this one set for 100 share lots, maximum to own per symbol of 1,000. And then below that, we tell the robotic trader how many stocks we want it to buy. So this one is set for 7. Then what we'll do is click on the next tab, which is the watch list. And you can see on the watch list here, we've got the exchanges checked here. You can also trade Australia, Hong Kong, India, Singapore, and Toronto through interactive brokers. And you can see below here, we've got the Dow 30, which is checked. So next to the Dow, we've got the Dow 30 checked here, and a very simple rule, which is yesterday's close price is less than $50. And you can see that we have 13 stocks that meet that criteria, which are all listed up here. So you got Alcoa, Bank of America, Cisco, GE, HPQ, Intel, JP Morgan, Kraft, KO, Merck, Microsoft, Pfizer, and AT&T. So then we'll go ahead and just kind of flip through so you can see these. Then we have the open position rules. So then the open position rules, we set these, and then the robotic trader knows when to buy, when to open the position. So we got two very simple rules here. The price 1 minute ago is greater than the price 2 minutes ago, and the current bid price is greater than the price 1 minute ago. Then we go to the add to position rules, and on this one here, this particular strategy, it's adding on 10% drops. So the robotic trader will open up another position of Microsoft or any of the companies that you own if they drop by 10%. So the key to this particular strategy is always be in the game, always buying and selling, and that's what the robotic trader is doing for you. If you want to make your strategy more aggressive, you could add on 5% drops, and it's very easy to change that. You just click delete here and add rule here, and then the robotic trader knows you want to add on 5% drops. So I'm just going to flip that back here. So we'll go ahead and delete and then add rule, and you're all set. Now we'll go ahead to click over to the profit requirements tab. Now this is where we tell the robotic trader how much money we want to make. So this one is set for a minimum of 50 cents, which on 100 shares would be $50. That's the profit goal. And then once it achieves the profit goal, it's going to look for a pullback, which is the next feature. That way the robotic trader tries to capture as much money as it can while the stock is trending up, and then once it pulls back, it's going to close the position and take the profit. Now we've got the start profit protection over to the right here. Now if you want to use this feature, you could say once I get to 1.5% profit, I don't want to let that go. And what the robotic trader is going to do is put a P next to the symbol, which is going to indicate that it's protecting that profit. So the robotic trader is designed to always be grabbing profit, always taking money every chance it gets. So you can set these parameters for whatever you want. The system is all point and click, no programming required, and very easy to use. If you can use Microsoft Word or Excel, you can run your own robotic trader from home. So we have stop losses here and a re-entry pullback here. I thank you for taking the time to watch this product demonstration, and we look forward to working with you. Thank you.